Welcome back to another very exciting PR haul. A huge thank you to all of these brands. And as always, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end for how to enter. Let's get into it. First up, this is from Ciela. Now, this is my first ever package from them. I'm so excited. They are a Montreal-based lingerie brand. First up, we have these shapewear undies, shapewear boy shorts. These will be perfect for wearing under dresses. And then last but not least, we have the bra. And I got them all in maple sugar. They're all no-show. We love that. So I'm very excited to try out that brand. Let me know if you have tried any of their stuff. Next up, from Pixi, they are always super consistent and generous. So from Pixi, in this beautiful box, we have the Liquid Glow Fluid Cheek Tints in a bunch of different shades. Okay, so these are for cheeks and lips. Very exciting. I will definitely be putting some of these in a package for you. Okay, this is Liquid Glow. This is the shade Fresh. Also, they're quite a big tube, big doe foot applicator. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, okay, so this is from a small Canadian business that I have followed and supported for a while. So I was so excited when they reached out and asked if I want to get a PR package from them. So it's C&C Luxury Co., female-owned Canadian jewelry brand. How stunning. Wally, look. How beautiful. Oh my goodness, this has a little J on it. Wow, you guys sent me so many things. Thank you. Ooh. So you put it around your wrist and then it also goes on your finger. It goes like this and then you put it around your wrist. These little huggy earrings. We have 3 rings. Okay, that's gonna look really good stacked with my Aura ring. Also, oh yeah, I bought an Aura ring. In case you're not following me on Instagram stories, I'm testing it out. It's surreal because I followed them and watched their brand and purchased on their brand for so long. It's surreal. Their watches, they're also really, really popular for their watches. These little pearl earrings, these little huggies. Ooh, a jewelry cleaning pen. That will always come in handy. Wow. Oh, and a silk scrunchie. Oh my goodness, that was so nice. Thank you guys so much. How gorgeous is that? Puts this on her pillow immediately. Okay, I'm so excited about this package. I want you to see how stunning this jewelry is. The rings, are you kidding me? That was really exciting. I'm like fangirling. CosRx, a K skincare brand we love, and also that is now sold at Sephora, which is very exciting. Easily accessible. I believe it's also available on Amazon. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this says Skin Surprise in a box. We have this cute little bag. So the 6 peptide skin booster and the skin planing glaze mask. I actually think I bought both of these from Sephora. Now this is a new brand to me in terms of PR. Welcome to your best nail life. They must have heard I'm a press-on girly. Instant Mani press-on. And then the soak off reusable nail system. That's really smart actually, because I get a lot of questions about how I take off my press-ons. We also have glue, super stick Mani press-ons, no glue needed. So we have some with no glue needed. These ones you can use glue. Very exciting. Thank you, Olive and June. We have one last big box. What is in here? A big pink box, just what the doctor ordered. From L'Oreal, we have the Casting Cream Gloss. Breaking news, come to the casting of the glossiest hair color of your life. Ooh, wow. So we have a heatless curl set. You know I love heatless curls. Always, always, always. I can always use an extra one of those. We have this is the new Casting Cream Gloss. No ammonia, conditioning color. 3 times glossier. Intensely conditions and colors. Ooh, this is satin bonnet. Yes. We have a beautiful pink brush and then the glycolic gloss lamination rinse off. Should I just wear this around? Okay guys, let me go get your giveaway ready and I'm keeping this for sure. I look like a chef. I look like a chef, a hair chef.